How to change email address on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now go to the hamburger icon at the top left. Scroll down below. Now go to Settings from Settings and Privacy. Now go to See More in Account Center. Now go to Profiles and Personal Details. From here, go to Contact Info. Now over here, you can see your contact information. Now, in order to change your email address, you won't directly see that option on Facebook. However, you would have to tap on Add Email Address, add your new email address, and then delete your previous email address. So that is the only way through which you could do so. So let's tap on Add Email Address. Now just enter an email address. Now just tap on Next. Now you would have to enter the confirmation code sent to your email. So you will be getting a code that would look something like this. Just tap on it in order to copy it. Now open Facebook and then paste the code. Then tap on Next. Now you would be able to add email address to your account. Once you do so, choose the email address you wish to delete. From here, just go ahead and tap on Delete Email Address. Now over here you can see that once you delete an email address, you will no longer be able to use that specific email in order to log in, reset your password, or receive notifications. Also, you may not be able to delete that email if that is the only way of contact method you have added on your Facebook. Once you go through all these details, tap on Delete. Then simply enter the password of your account. After that, just tap on Continue and then you will be able to delete your previous email. So this is the only way on Facebook through which you can change your email address. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.